Alright, let's look at how to remove duplicates from a list. So let's define a list. Let's say we have names. Alright, so we have Anna, Sarah, Anna, Tim, Tim, Julian. So we should basically reduce this to 4 names, the unique names. You can remove duplicates casting this list to a set. So if I make this a set, we end up with 4 names. The only potential problem is that the order has disappeared. So if you don't care about the order, but you just want to have the unique values in the list, then this is fine, we're done. However, if order matters, then you cannot rely on a set, right? Set doesn't keep order. So how about removing the duplicates when we have to keep the order? Well, there are 2 ways, right? We can build up a new list, loop through the old list, and check if every item is seen. So we also need to have a seen variable or set. And then only if the value is not seen, we add it to the new list. So let's do that first, and then I show a shorter way where you can actually do it with a one-liner, relying on a dictionary, but I will get there. So new list, so names2 is an empty list for name in names. No, not yet. I also need a scene set. Then we loop through the names. If the name is in scene, continue. Otherwise, edit. And also add it to the new list. And now I have the unique names, and they're in order. Anna, Sarah, skip Anna, Tim, skip Tim, Julian, skip Tim. Alright, so this is fair, but turns out you can also use the from keys method on a dictionary. So if you look at dict, there's a from keys method that will make a new dictionary from a set of keys. So if you give names, you actually end up with a dictionary where the keys are unique and they're in order, because these days, starting 3.7, dictionaries should guarantee insert order, right? Well, we end up with a dictionary, but then to get a list back, that's not too difficult, because we can just cast it in a list, and we get a list of the keys, which are the ones we're interested in. So that's another way how we then end up with the unique names in the same order, right? So again, if you have a list with duplicates, if we don't care about the order, use a set. By the way, this set now is a set. If you want to have a list, you can do the same casting technique as I did here, and you end up with a list. However, if order matters, then there are 2 ways. You can make a new list and keep track of what you've seen before, loop through the names. If the name is seen, continue, add it to the scene set, and build up the new list. And then you end up with the unique names. A shorter way is to leverage the from dict method on a dict, which will make a dictionary of the unique keys. So how that basically works is, if you have a new dictionary, the first time you hit Anna, it's added to the dictionary. Second time you try to add Anna, a unique key can only exist once in the dictionary, hence it's skipped. And then when you do that, you end up with a dictionary of unique keys. And then to get the keys, we can call a list on it, and we have the same result as the looping we did here. Right, so a bit more work if the order matters, but that's the way to go. Hope this is helpful.